what he is doing through the challenge, because he's preparing you for the next level. At the same time, he is blessing you. So this is why he says, now rejoice and be exceedingly glad, because you're being blessed and I'm preparing you for where you're going. So some of us don't really understand why we need to grow. It's necessary to grow, but I want to help you understand why you need to grow. And the text today that we're dealing with reveals to us a unique process of understanding why we should rejoice and be exceedingly glad when we are being persecuted.